help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it.
N is for anywhere at any time and all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay. F is for frolic.
Bring forth your ninja spirit.
U is for ukulele.
Tonight we're gonna draw ninjask.
I'm a sign licking here with my best buddy.
This Pokemon is so fast. It is reasons to have the ability to avoid any attack. It loves to feed on tree sap. Oh yeah, almost lost my chance to turn on the light. Oh yeah, I haven't got the chance to tell you. Ninjask has a special evolution. Yeah, I know. I've seen it myself. It all started a few episodes ago when I told you about it. Remember that? Remember all that? Shedinja's wings. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Shedinja. I meant ninjask. That's how you draw ninjask. One of my favorites.